Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ron. Welcome to my channel. Today we're installing these Budget Builders door hinges onto our Arctic Cat Wildcat Trail. Alright friends, so I have the driver's side hinges installed on our Wildcat Trail here, and there are a few things to go over. As far as installation goes, it's pretty simple. So there are, if you can see them down there, so there's two hinges that capture the door. There's 2 bolts per hinge. These are 10mm bolts. So if you can see, I think you can see, yeah, it looks like it's zoomed in all right, or focused up. There is a little gap here. This is maybe slightly larger than the gap would be with the factory ones. I don't think it matters, so I'm just mentioning it. These hinges are significantly more robust. You can feel that. It's very nice. I'm not gonna lie. So something worth mentioning. So I currently have the stock doors on here. They're, what are they, the half doors, whatever you want to call them. So something that I am noticing with the half doors is the factory hinges. If I used that video earlier, you'll notice. If not, I'll show it here. The factory hinges have a cutout, and what that cutout does is it allows these doors to open wider. All right, so when you open these half doors, this is what you're getting out of it for travel. So it's still usable. It is worth mentioning though, compared to the passenger side, which still has the factory hinges on it, there's about 6 inches more travel between that hinge and the door, I don't know what you call it, the door stop. Yeah, let's go with the door stop. So you're losing about 6 inches here with the Budget Builders. I don't think that would, it's not a problem for me. I don't know that it's going to be a problem for you, but I thought it was worth highlighting. One thought I have on how a guy could restore the full travel of these doors, if you want to continue to use the factory half doors like I am here, a guy could take and trim the plastic material that is on the door frame. And you might have to trim on the lower side. Down here, there's a little bit of metal that you may have to manipulate. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here. So it's possible that if a guy wanted to trim and finagle that material, you could get at least some of your travel back if you really need it. So it's worth mentioning that Budget Builders makes their own full doors for this machine. I'm sure the doors are designed with these hinges in mind, so they probably don't have the issue that the factory half doors do. When I talked to Ethan about these, he said that he didn't see why they wouldn't work, which they do work. So, but they were not tested with these little doors. So that's where I come in. So those are my findings. Overall, I'm very happy with the hinges. They are definitely a step up from the factory stuff. So it took a little finessing, but I did get it where the door closes very nice with not very much effort. So, and it replicates easily. So, like I say, just take your time, adjust as needed, and you'll get there. So anyway, that puts a pin in this little project. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section. And for any more ATV, UTV video content, stay with me here on my channel. So we'll see y'all later.